See, what the problem is with behavior management is we've been living in the world of how things should be. And we focus too much on getting their minds to change their behavior. It's not their minds that we have to change, it's their bodies. We don't like to be told what to do, and we're trying to get these kids to change based on how we want them to. Does anybody here have any desire to raise both your hands in the air? Good. From this point on, you're not allowed to because I said so. Good. I'm glad that you're following my instructions as the commander of all of you. What are you guys thinking about?
I want to put my hands.
Oh, you do, don't you? Now watch this. But this is sneaky. Ready? Oh, you can't be trans up also because I'm a man. Yeah, so she raised her hand, she raised her hand, she raised her hand, but somehow she thinks that had anything to do with me. You heard my words, you interpreted it, you gave the meaning, and your brain goes, oh no, he didn't, and then you put your hands in the air. Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching my videos. Ron Schwally here. Just wanted to say I appreciate you. Feel free to like, subscribe, and click on the bell if you want to see more videos coming your way to be alerted. Just thank you so much, and feel free to share this content with anybody who you think would find some value from this. Have an awesome, joyous, wonderful, breath-filled rest of your day.